In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your address when sending money on PayPal. If you want a little more privacy when using PayPal, this is a quick setting that can help. We'll be updating the visibility options connected to your PayPal profile so your location is no longer shown. The process is simple and only takes a moment, so let's go through it together, step by step. To begin, sign into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is where your account settings are located. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings area. Once you're in settings, go to the account section. This is where PayPal keeps your main profile and account-related options. From there, look for your PayPal.me profile. You should see a Manage option next to it. Click Manage to open the settings for that profile. This part is important because your PayPal.me page can display certain public details depending on how your profile is set up. If you want to reduce what other people can see, this is the section where you control that. After opening your PayPal.me profile settings, find the Location option. Click on Location and you'll see the visibility choices available for that setting. Here, select Don't Show My Location. This updates your profile so your location is hidden from view. Once that's selected, your change should take effect right away. That means your location will no longer be displayed on your PayPal.me profile, which can give you a bit more privacy when receiving or sending money through that page. And there you go. That's all you need to do. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review your profile privacy settings from time to time, especially if you use payment platforms often. Small visibility settings like this can make a difference in how much personal information is shared publicly. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to hide your address when sending money on PayPal.